Guys, you know, competitive gaming doesn't have to be very expensive anymore. And let me show you why. This is the new KC3000M1, a monitor designed specially for a competitive FPS gaming. With a 24-inch fast TN panel, a 400Hz refresh rate, and up to half a millisecond response time, this thing is built for games like PUBG, Fortnite, CS2. Everything feels incredibly fast, sharp, and responsive. KTC also added a lot of competitive-focused features like 100-step override adjustment, 5-step DAC dynamic motion clarity mode, AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility for smooth tear-free gameplay. This stand is also fully adjustable. You can adjust height, tilt, swivel, pivot, so you can position it exactly like you want for your setup. It also comes with side shields, which help reduce reflections and distractions during gaming sessions. And this external controller is really cool additional thing. Instead of reaching behind the monitor every time, you can quickly adjust settings directly from the desk while gaming. Another nice detail is the internal power supply, so there is no bulky external power brick sitting under your desk. Despite being heavily focused on eSport performance, the panel also has 98% sRGB coverage, factory-calibrated colors, and hardware-level low blue light technology designed to reduce eye strain during long gaming sessions. There are also a lot of smaller details like quick-release support, a built-in headphone hanger, VESA mounting, adjustment markings on the stand, and up to 35 degrees of rear tilt for a more natural, competitive gaming posture. Overall, it feels like a monitor designed specially for players who care about speed, while still keeping the setup clean and premium. And if you want to check the KTC3000M1 monitor yourself, you will find all the links down in the description of this video. And now let's go back to this beautiful build. Guys, I need to interrupt this video one more time because I have a good news. Together with CPS PCCOOLER, we're doing a cool giveaway for you. And there will be totally 3 winners. The first winner, the first place, wins the power supply KN850 and the AIO cooler GT360M. And also there will be 2 more winners that will get the GT360M AIO cooler. To participate in this giveaway, you need: first, comment and like this video. Second, subscribe to this channel and to CPS PC Cooler YouTube channel. And third, follow CPS PC Cooler Instagram and PC Elegance Instagram. The giveaway will run for 2 weeks after this video goes live, and then I'll randomly pick the winners directly from the comment section. And also guys, please let me know in the comment section about this giveaway idea. Just want to know, do you like this idea? Do you want it to be more often? So good luck to you guys, and huge thanks to PC Cooler for making this giveaway possible.